You can see, yeah, open it. Okay. Okay. Let's go in together. Who wants to go with me? Let's go in together, guys. A whole lot of work still needed, but we're going to do it for our people. This is receptionist. This receptionist here. A whole lot of work. But by the grace of God, who knows before the end of the year what God can do for Shine Your Shine thing. We're going to shine our shine 2020. Forward ever. But oh my God, boss! Nigeria, don't fuck me up with this network. You better stand still. Thank you so much. Thank you, boss lady. God bless you. Let me turn this safe. Much easier for me. Let me turn the camera. Okay, you see? Hotel Shine Your Shine in the heart city of Edo State, Benin City, under construction. By the grace of God, I don't know everything that God get power. Okay? 2020, my people, when you are coming to Nigeria, and it's going to be a very good budget price for everybody to enjoy. Be the first to enjoy our room. This one a receptionist place where they put bar, they keep money and all those things. Bar. This one a bar where I enter just now, where to put free food drink. Yeah, now the first room. Want to stay in the first room? This is gonna be the first room. You walk like this, you walk. What? Jesus. Now God get power. Okay, this is the down floor rooms. Open. Thank you, my dear. Yay! Personal toilet things. No sharing things. You come, you suffer. I no need of calling family always and all the time. Thank you so much, team. Shine Your Shine. Thank you so much, Monica team. We are going higher. Backward never. Forward ever. Thank you for everyone that support me and say, Monica, no more reply to nonsense. Come on. Come and take over. Thank you so much. And to God be the glory. This is the up. We are up now. Umar is on. Okay, these are our rooms. You can see new doors. We just need to pour down. They don't even pour jama floor. Now do ties. This place all the resting there. You may go bring. Let's see. Okay. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Oh, what is oh, look, boy. Why, why, wait, take be. Who are high up by when you rock back because you may have Gazinia here on my rock back. Jesus. Guys, this about yes. Why they want to buy?
Jacuzzi, you know, little. You know what here with
So, guys. How many minutes now? Please, can somebody tell me? I just want it to be 30 minutes. This is the back side. This one also room. Altogether, we have 22 rooms. Up and down. In Shine Your Shine. Hotel for my people. No more high price. Now, Monica. Now, trust. When people tell us, say, you might too dear, you know, feel rock, and me break that rules. Everybody can shine your shine. Bring your small money, buy your hair, rock it. That is how it's going to be. No more I sleep as may come they narrate you. Come to shine your shine hotel. Enjoy yourself and shine your shine. Everything available. Just pray, may God do on time. May finish. She's going. Quick, sharp, sharp. No time. So God be the glory. If you have a who you always say.
Hello?
Yeah, we don't finish, darling. Yeah, my people. You see the area. I say city of Benin City.
Hey yeah, hi everyone. Good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now the real Edo girl. So this evening, what I want to talk about now the video we cause quarrel for the two bestie in Europe, the Edo two bestie, which is the Monica and Lolo. The video will cause the biggest fight for social media. Now I want show una so make una see how it happen. The video where the whole wahala for start when our sister tried to use house hotel when she not get a pose. Now her friend can say gay. That hotel no be you get baby. Arrange yourself. Arrange yourself. Make we not tear polo. That babe can say, babe, why you go talk like that now? You know, say you be my friend. You supposed to cover for me for good and for bad. You supposed to cover for me when I dey play with you. Now a friend can say, oh, I not fit cover for you, babe. Because if people start to they give us wahala now, people, she's Lolo say, people can start to they cuss her for video when she they show the house. Say, you say our country na poto. You say our country na graveyard. You can't go now, go the open shine your shine hotel. And matter. Now everybody come the veil because this one are the people when talk say make people not open, make they not build house for Africa because now graveyard make people not build anything for Africa because now poto. First of all, they go Nigeria, they go show one house, say na their house. So they even write their name for the floor. People forgive them for that one. They can't come back again after their husband video surface for social media. They can't come out again and say no. Waiting go happen now. Be say we get hotel now. Now people can say matter. So now still get hotel join the house when I first show us before. Now hotel again now. Why you can't tell people say may they not build their own house when it be say you pass back, you go build your hotel. And people can start to they give them wahala that say Lolo no want to take the hot and Lola still get a little bit of integrity when still remain. Now I can say making come out come do video. In video making debunk the rumor say that hotel no be when her sister get and say na publicity she dey do for person. So as she do the video finish, now the poor man wife can say make she go quick before you open in high. Make you go delete that video. Nah, so they look you so. Oh yeah, delete the video now. Delete it now. After they look you. Delete that video. And tell me sorry. Delete the video now. And tell me sorry. Now sister come quick. Delete the video. I said delete the video. Oh yeah, tell me sorry. Tell me sorry now. My sister come tell and say, I'm sorry. My sister come say, okay, yeah, the sorry. But the sorry not go well. The sister come tear polo. After I don't use her as pose, Sister don't use her as pose give people. You just come out from nowhere, come spoil shoe. Say the house no be she get her. Social media will be say, now there for the who not get €5 for pack. I go say you go have 30 journal. You come spoil my shoe. Say the hotel no be my home. I say the late time and start converse, come the pump like a the pump, come say enemy everywhere, enemy, jealousy. Now there the jealousy matter for start. Oh, my people. Don't be only talk. Army ball come full everywhere. See, she dey jealous me. I find person, I go school person, I go for go ask her. Now there the whole balapa for start. When you be say sister come, lolo come verse say you dey lie. You want to add me join the lie. Tomorrow if they find out say the hotel not be our own, they will drag two of us together. Now make me suffer remove myself for the hotel balaba. Upon I delete the video, I tell you sorry. You still cost me up and down. And there's the stuff for converse. Come say no. I go be make it be innocent again. And then the whole wala for start to. Now the video I want to show now. For this video, I'm gonna see the video where cause Lolo and Monica fight. You know, say person want take waiting no get pose. Person can go spoil his shoe. The thing go first and well. Especially when you believe, make people believe say you get money, you be leader, you be whatever. If you want to lead, this one an example for una. Make una lead with brain, make una lead with proof, make una no go turn to leader. When you be say you no get integrity, disgrace, the shame and disgrace where they call. The thing they say make it go land for another place, it can land for their body. Make una get sense. I know they. That's why I talk and reach. Oh, the real educators, gonna gather here. I love all of you now. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Okay? Bye.